What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today we hitting Joe Buddy Racing up cause the packages finally came, man. We finna see what old Emma looking like or whatever, and we finally gonna get it done, man. I went, boy. Whew. I found a heater box, man. It came a couple days ago, but I waited so I can open it up and unbox it with y'all so y'all can see. That came out of Tennessee, man. It took about 2 weeks to get here, but found what we need, man. It's 3 boxes, so we're gonna bust them open, see what we got. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so look, here go the packages, and he packaged them up good, man. I bought them from Pete DeFazio. He sell a lot of G-body parts. Saw on my Facebook at Marketplace. So that's where they came from. They packed them up good. Said he acid dipped them and all that, clean. So look, it taped up so good, man. I'm finna cut all this off. Then I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We're gonna see what we got. Alright, I just got this thing open, man. He sent everything. Now this was worth it. He had to do his thing and clean it and all that. It took a while. He sent everything. He sent the bolts. Man, the hardware, he sent everything. But yeah, I was saying he sent everything. He had cut off. But that's the first box. Now I'm finna tackle these two. And then turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all. This the second box. And everything in there, man. I ain't taking all that out. Cause we gotta take it and drop it off at anyway. So I'll let him take it out and everything. But hey, man, Pete DeFazio, the truth. He did a great job, man. He packaged it up good. Hey, I'm satisfied, man. Wifey in the game. All the rest of the stuff. I think he even included the heater core and all that, even though I told him I ain't need it. I mean, but he sent everything, man. Everything to put it back together. But y'all know we got all this stuff new. All the AC stuff new. Heater core. Everything else new, man. But we just need the enclosure, which he sent everything needed. So she gonna be in the game, man. When she get back, she gonna be blowing snowball, hot heat. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We get to the shop. Y'all stay. All right, y'all. We checking in, man. So we made it to the shop. I'm finna get these boxes out, and I'll get in here, and we're gonna take this out, and then check back in with y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, I got it all out, man. I'm gonna take it in here piece by piece, man. We're gonna see what Aunt got going on. Got a little bro here handling business. I'm gonna see what Aunt got going on over here, y'all. Yo, Aunt in here working. There he is. See, over here working, y'all. Getting it in. Gotta brighten it up for y'all. Where you want me to set out this stuff, Aunt? Or you want to put it and try to squeeze it in the car? It's a tall box. Alright. So Aunt said he been fighting with this right here. He done.
I started yesterday at 2:30.
2:30?
Yesterday. I quit last night at 10 and went home. Came back today at 10. And now I got to put the session belt on, hook up the water, put it all back in.
And then be ready to go.
I hope to God I'll never want to see it again.
He said, I never want to see it again.
I'll put the work on me, boy.
Hey, them right here did the dude.
I thought that was bad. I put the engine swap on it Wednesday, Thursday.
Right. But this one just took the cake though. Hey, what is Envoy in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one right here then. Said it's a grown man. I don't got the vert. Who vert vet over here?
I got that axe.
Nice.
I did a head job on it.
Nice little vert vet LT4. LT4 action.
Yeah.
Said this been the grown man. This been the grown man.
Yep.
This one ain't been that bad.
Nah.
What it is? It's a
Cruise.
A Cruise.
Chevrolet Cruise 1.4 turbo.
Oh, this is a turbo.
Yeah. I ain't started up because the turbo all return tubes broke. So I said I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting on that part.
Kicking them out.
I had the heads with the machine, so I put them back on. And then
So
jumped on this bad bar right here.
and it been it been on right here.
So everything's so tight in it. You know what I'm saying? Everything compact in it.
I can see that now.
Yeah.
It is tight, boy.
You have to take it rack and pinion steer.
Oh
So I
yeah.
have to take the rack and pinion out to get the oil pan off.
Hey man, I would have been folded on this. I've been folded, boy, and went home probably 3 hours into it. Like this stuff right here, man. It is tight as now, boy. Good
Yeah,
God Almighty.
I don't have the heads off everything.
Man, y'all put in the comment y'all done worked on one of these before. Cause I know somebody in the comment done fooled with this, so you probably know. Yeah, this joke real tight. I see Jason, he gone and
He hit him up shop.
he hit the muff shop. So
Yeah.
y'all remember the essay that was right here. So he gone, getting the muffler hooked up. Then he be out the door ready to go. Ready to roll, man. So yeah, y'all see. Came down here holler on. Got the heater box finally. It been on search for that, but we found one. And he looked out, he got everything. So y'all know, man, Wifey and Tina, man, we've been everywhere today. So y'all done got multiple vlogs today, which I don't know which order I dropped them in. Y'all might have seen them before this or after this, but we've been running today. Just know that since this morning. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So look, man, we finna head back to the house. Go over here, man. Let y'all see Wifey car and stuff. And then turn y'all back on in a minute. So we dropped everything off. Got everything put up where it's supposed to, man. So we're gonna get her all hooked back up. And then she gonna be ready to roll, man. AC, heat, all of that. Still got the Fred windshield in there from Auto Glass and more. My bro Big Lat and Doja. Y'all heard from Lat on the vlog the other day. And that tent look good, man. Oh, Emma look good with that tent on there. So wife will be able to ride, man, about a couple of weeks. She'll be ready to ride. So y'all see it, man. She's gonna be coming back. Then we'll go to J Hall, man, get that new paint. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We back, man. We back home. Just got back from Joe Buddy Racing. Checking out Wifey car. Everything is in motion, man. Y'all know I try to keep y'all up to date, play by play, step by step with everything from small to big, man. Whether it's a lot of action going on or it's a little bit of action. I try to keep y'all in the loop for the most part. So what's gonna happen next? Like I said, I gotta shout out Pete DeFazio again, man, cause I mean everything, even the inside stuff of the heater box, like everything. I just needed the case. I just literally needed the case, man. Just the bottom piece and the top cover. That's all I need. The enclosure, man. He sent everything. He sent everything, all the bolts, everything, man. So Wifey about to be good to go, man. I got that seal. I got that seal that go around there. I don't think I showed it to y'all. I can't remember. But I got it. I ain't never take it out the box. I bought it from Mike's Monte. That's a good site, man. I get a lot of stuff off of there. We got that. So Wifey car gonna be ready to go, man. Like I said, I try to make sure she good. So she gonna have AC, heat, everything. She gonna be able to get in that car and just wherever, like cruise. It already run good up the highway. It's a great running car, dependable. And she just gonna be able to ride like whatever, man. Just ride and enjoy the car. She got the windows tinted and stuff right now. Then we're gonna go to J Hall, get it repainted, and only thing I gotta put is new tail lights in there. They work. But I replaced every single thing on that car on the outside except the tail lights, cause I couldn't find none at that time. But I'm gonna get a new set of tail lights for. She's gonna get repainted, and then she going to What else? Oh, we're gonna get the interior done. We get the interior done last. And she gonna be ready, man. She gonna be ready to roll. So I'm gonna get hers done. Then after that, I'm gonna buy a condenser for R&B, which I need to go ahead and do that. I need to go do that now. Cause all R&B missing is a condenser to make the AC work. So I need to go ahead and get a condenser for R&B. Oh, and the line. No, I got the lines. The lines already on that car. So I just need to buy a condenser, AC condenser. I can get R&B AC working, man. So I need to go and do that, cause y'all know it getting hot. The heat going. All them lacking is getting lines made for Dolo AC. Man, I can have AC on all three of them cars, man. I need to go and get them done. John Jones already got ice cold AC. The truck, brown coat, I would have to go vintage air if I want an AC. Dolo, not Dolo, Meach ain't having AC. It just is what it is. Ain't no AC in Meach. No AC, no heat. But Dolo, I could have been had AC on Dolo, man. I'm gonna get that done. I'm gonna go ahead and get AC on Dolo, and it already got everything on it. New. Y'all saw when I did that. The whole system new. Up to the orifice tube, man. Down to the orifice tube and new. So I just gotta go get the lines made. So when I get that transmission straightened out, the issue, I'm gonna go get the lines made, which I got the part I need for it. One of the parts I know I'm gonna need. So the transmission gonna be different basically. When I come back with Dolo's new transmission, it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different, and it's gonna be even better equipped for wheels or hard tie stuff. It's gonna be even better equipped. Cause like I said, I think I know really what got it. I'm pretty positive I know what really got it. And like I said, it's my fault. It's just over the course of time. It's a build up, so it just happened. But I'm gonna get it to y'all. I got that video coming for y'all, man. I got quite a few coming. Said this update on Emma. Wifey car, I know y'all want to know what's going on with it and everything. I try to keep y'all updated on the entire fleet. And you know, we're gonna be ready to roll. We got Meats coming back. So when Meats get oil pressure, I'm gonna be a loose cannon, man. I'm gonna have the whole fleet gonna have oil pressure. Like, that been one of my goals for the whole fleet to have oil pressure at one time. I never had all of them running at one time. Did the closest I done got. I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 4. I got 4 running at one time. And all of them running crispy. They ain't missing a beat. So now I got to get Meats, man. I'm finna chill on them. I got to get Meats. When I get all 5, man, I'm talking about I'm gonna be in a unique position, man. All 5 running and everything got pressure. You see people with a lot of old school. Don't get me wrong. I done seen that. It's a lot of people got a lot of classic old school. But when you got a lot of old school and everything got some pressure, like really in its own lane, like real street cars, everything is quick. Hey, man, I'm telling you, I'm finna be in a unique position, man. I can't wait. Variety hoop, man. Who got a fleet like with this much variety, man? We got LS carbureted. We got LS fuel injected turbo. Like I said, then the truck brown coat gonna get nitrous, so we're gonna have carbureted LS nitrous or NA. You got roots, old school roots blown small block Chevy. You got Dolo small block Chevy can run NA or nitrous, Gen 1. Then gonna have a big block nitrous. Man, variety, man. So now, I don't know, man. We're gonna do something with Wifey car, man. Wifey gotta get a little man. I got a little plan for her too, for her car too. So you know, we're gonna do a little something with that. But yeah, man, y'all know, all in all, this the update. I appreciate y'all that made it to the end, rocking. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.